What is going on, guys? Welcome to the Temporary Lounge here at Hidden Homestead. My name is David, and today we are doing some single barrel Knob Creek. Why am I doing this exactly? We go to Siux Falls every once in a while, which is on the eastern side of the state. And while I was there, I went to, which one is this? Foggy, I think it's Foggy's. Correct me, if you guys see this video, correct me. Is it Foggy or Foggy? I should probably know that. But anyway, Foggy's Liquor in Siux Falls had a store pick of Knob Creek, and this one is from Wall Liquor, also in Siux Falls. Which is woo, because that's what it says. There's a W and a bunch of O's. So that one is from Wall Liquor, woo. Yeah, so both of these are Siux Falls single barrel store picks. I just thought it'd be interesting. Keep it in South Dakota. Because that's fun. Why not? In glass A will be Foggy's Liquor Gallery with an A. And glass B will be Woo, because there's no other letter in that. So glass. Good grief. That thick wax kind of makes it hard to pull off here. That's a hefty pour for a sample. Oh, that's a good one. All right. So, if you've seen the last one, I couldn't find anyone to mix them up, so I'm just going to mix them up myself. And then I already don't even know, I don't know what they are. So maybe if I just keep talking to you and making sound effects, I have no idea where they're at now. Pretty sure. Gonna just keep going for a couple more sets. Okay, so glass, we'll say glass 1, glass 2. See how they do. Glass 1 on the nose. Vanilla and spice and everything nice. So I don't know if that's a peanut. It's a nut. And I can't tell if that's like a peanut? I think it's a peanut. It's nutty. It is kind of nutty, but I can't tell if it's a peanut, but definitely some spice. Ooh, haha. Maple syrup. Pancakes. Glass 2's nose is, as of now, we're going to say for the nose, we got a winner on the nose. So see what she tastes like. I was kind of wondering, was that the one? Yeah. I kept going back and forth to say whether that was peanuts or not. On the nose, it is peanutty, maybe. On the palate, it is almonds. And I don't want to get too far into the finish yet, but the almonds rolled into the finish. It was on the palate and it was on the finish. So maybe the nuttiness that I was really getting on the nose was that almond nut. So yeah, I'm getting I am definitely getting the almond. Kind of your typical bourbon flavors, the caramel, some vanilla. I'm gonna go back and forth on these, but there might be a hint of cherry. Let's see how glass 2 holds up. If we have to split these, I'm gonna say that glass 2 has the nose. So let's, all right. Well, I don't want to count one out too early. This is a little bit more drying on the palate. Everything really just comes on quick. The finish really kind of comes on and then it just goes away. So this one is the winner. It has the nose without a doubt. It has the viscosity without a doubt. It just really mouth coating. It's thick. It's super good. As it opens up, you're getting a little bit more of a flavor with the maple syrup. You're getting it's sweeter, and then the finish is, like I said, with any of the Knob Creek, you're going to get that rye spice, but this one wasn't as spiky, wasn't as pungent. I mean, it just didn't just like come in like a wrecking ball and just trash your tongue and your throat. That one, for me personally, I like that one. So, that being said, glass A, it is Gallery from Fogey's Liquor Gallery. If you guys like this video, pow! I don't know how loud that was, that clap. That was probably pretty loud. I'll edit that out, hopefully. Anyway, do that to the like button and consider subscribing if you've not already done so. Hit the little bell icon so you know when we do more of these weird videos, anything, projects, whiskey, reviews on tools and things and stuffs. Facebook, Instagram, Patreon, that helps us out. That'd be great. I think that's about it. Fogies, man, thank you. You guys are awesome. Cheers. When I told my wife that I was going to do this shootout, this bourbon shootout, I told her that I really hope that Fogies or Foggies, please comment below which one, how you pronounce it, like, or message me or get a hold of me. How do you pronounce that? I'm illiterate. I don't know. Anyway, I told her that I really hope that they win. And the reason I hope that they win is because, again, nothing against Will Liquors, because I've not had a bad experience at Will Liquors. I've just had a much, much, much better experience at Fogies. I'm just gonna say Fogies. That's your new name. If it's Foggies, now it's Fogies. You guys are like just stupid awesome. Just a ridiculous. They used every spot. They used every space they had for O's.